It all started because I wanted to add just a small side table here. Hi, Casey. First, I took a look at how a side table is usually made. There's a bottom base, a middle part, and a top. Then I decided to try making one myself. For the bottom part, I found something at Goodwill. This looks like a vase, but I'm going to fill it with cement so it becomes heavier and more stable. Until it's completely filled. This is the center part I picked. It's a candle holder. Then paint it black. We're going to fill it with cement. How should we connect this? Should we carve it out a bit to join it? But it didn't work. We figured we'd try a different approach. Let's pour in more cement. I also filled this part with cement so the top piece can be attached securely. Start with a bottom coat of primer, then apply black paint followed by a shiplap color paint and finish with antiquing wax. Should I go with this? Or this? I'll go with this. This is something I made with cement a while ago. One more day and it'll be done. I like this color. I'm happy with it.